Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the process of hot wire EPS CNC cutting machine cutting EPS insulation pipe. Outer diameter size of the insulation pipe, 200 mm. Inner diameter size of the insulation pipe, 150 mm. The EPS CNC cutting machine can accurately cut the EPS insulation pipe according to the design requirements and dimensions, ensuring the accuracy of its size and shape. Through CNC cutting, various complex shapes can be cut to meet the needs of different insulation engineering projects. The advantages of EPS CNC cutting machine include 1. High precision. The EPS CNC cutting machine can accurately perform cutting tasks according to the preset program and drawings, ensuring the accuracy of the cutting dimensions. 2. Efficiency. The EPS CNC cutting machine has the characteristics of high-speed cutting and automated operations, which can improve production efficiency and work efficiency. 3. Flexibility. The EPS CNC cutting machine can cut according to different design requirements and drawings, realize the customization of various shapes and sizes, and meet different needs. Next, let's continue to watch the cutting process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.